Namaskar, HSC sir. Sir, I have two questions, both HSC sir. One is the rapid fire fun question. So, yes, sir. So, beach party or pool party, what is your idea of a good party?
Bharatiya Janata Party.
So, sir, with this question already Annamalai sir has answered. So, to you, sir. So, how has your life changed after entering into politics?
A lot actually. In fact, my professional life has changed drastically. Like Annamalai ji mentioned, lots of patience because you have to keep meeting so many people. Everyone you have to be very nice to. You have to meet everyone nicely, and there's no, you can't be rude to anybody. So you learned a lot of patience. That's one thing. I wasn't as disciplined as I am now. Not that I'm great, at discipline today, but progressively I've gotten better because I've learned the importance and value of time. And I've also realized how much I'm able to do in 24 hours versus how little I was doing before. So managing time is something that has changed. Though my battle to wake up early is still something that I keep failing at every day. I think professionally those are two things that have changed. But personal life has not changed in any way. I still have share the same Netflix account that is co-owned by my friends. My YouTube Premium account is still loaned by my friend. Even now, it's just the same group of friends we try to hang out with. But one thing that I'm really proud of, that hasn't changed in my personal life is this. And this I say with a lot of conviction in my command. In the last 1.5 years after I've become an MP, there were multiple occasions at which I could have changed the way my personal life was. But today, I can tell with a lot of conviction and lot of pride that the clothes that I wear, the food that I eat, and the expenses for my personal expenses at home, every single rupee in the last 1.5 years, all of this is from my earning that comes from my law practice and not a single rupee from any other source. That is something. So that is something that gives me a lot of confidence and pride. Just a few days ago, I was at my chartered accountant's office when I was to file IT returns. And, we were going through that expenses sheet. And it was like, bought a shirt here, paid ice cream bill at Richie Rich, or, something. So it's like, all of these are mobile phone, digital UPI transaction, car transactions for all of these, personal choices. So he said, I have not seen a politician's expense sheet like this. So that's one thing I'm really proud of. And I keep saying this. You asked a question, Sumukh, in the very beginning. When people should enter politics, at what age, 20s, 30s, I feel it's very good, very right to be aspirational when you're 20s, 30s, you want to be a young leader, but it is very important to have a source of income that is apart from politics before you join politics. Because that way you will remain incorruptible. That way nobody can come and put a price tag on you. And today I can tell you, tomorrow if anything, no person can walk into my office and say, I'm going to give you this kind of money and do this for me. Because I don't need that kind of money to lead my life. I have another source of income. So, thank you.
Thank you for very candidly opening up about it. We've come towards the end of this conversation. I just want to ask both of you. Both of you entered, professional politics more or less in the same period. You've both been there for almost the same amount of time. In the time that you have been there,